What's going on, family? I am now at a premier location. As you see, it's right off the main strip. This is 23rd Street, and this is a location that they got for sale. So I just came up here now to come check it out. I had the lady send me the information to it, and it already got the shop. As you see, we could probably might have to do some couple things to it to get it going, but I believe it's solid enough to go on and start making money, and dig this, and it come with the little house or the little office or whatever I want to do with it. Like if I get this, I could put the little house here, say, hey man, I stay here and I'm working out of this one to kill two birds with one stone, because I think it's a residential and commercial spot, or it's both commercial. So there's a potential in this little house. It had to do some work to it, but you got a structure. Like it got some more than all this land that goes back here. I think this is 1.5 acres too. I believe that's what it said on the paperwork. 1.5. So it's a nice location. They just built a reclaimed wood place right beside it. Like they getting their stuff together over there. Like they bought that, getting it together. And looks like you can drive around here, so you have to clear some of this, probably knock a couple of these trees here in the center where you can drive right back there, but look like that full door slide open where you can like drive through it. Kind of seem like what it's looking like. So this is what we looking at, man, right now. I got a few places to check out, but I like this location right here. It's right off the freeway. It's an area that gets a lot of traffic. Like I say, it's a new company just built there. It's right beside it. They're going to be doing wood, which is a plus for me because we do stairs. So we might buy some wood from them. I'm just thinking outside of the box, man. Having a vision, man. I think sometimes we have to think outside the box and give ourselves that ability to just think freely, and have big dreams, man. I mean, we can do anything we put our mind to, but we have to literally believe that we can do it. So I think a big deal with what we're doing is not believing that we have the faith or the ability to do what we're trying to do. So just believe in yourself, man. You never know what is possible until you stay on the grind and make it possible. HogOn.